Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and on today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 websites to make $100 per day in 2018. So I hope you're as excited as I am, because what I've been doing lately here on this channel is I've been really diving deep with showing you guys different traffic methods that you can use. But I feel this right here will be valuable by me showing you different websites that you can use as well. So let's say if you're doing, we'll get into this later, but let's say, for example, you're doing freelancing, or you have some type of skill set that you can share with others, right? That you can be of value to others. I want to help you to do that here in this video, okay? So I'm going to be sharing with you 10 different websites, and then we'll go from there. All right, so the first website we're going to be talking about is Warrior Plus. Now, Warrior Plus came a little late in the game for me. I was actually doing like sites like JVZoo, a little bit of ClickBank, and so on and so on. Now, I ran into Warrior Plus because there was a lot of buzz about a specific product, and somehow I found my way on this site, guys. And when I did, I noticed, it was sort of like some of the sites I had been using before, where they also have digital products, so they're willing to pay a higher commission, which is always good. Okay, so yes, Warrior Plus, you're able to just go on, sign up for a free account. You see where it says free sign up. You would click here, all right, and then it would take you. Well, I already have my stuff there, but this is what you would have to fill out. So create a username, password, email address, and then I'm not a robot, and then boom, you would have your account created. Now, of course, most of these sites, they want you to confirm your email. So once you do that, then boom, you'll be good to go. All right. But the basis of it is, once you get inside, you're going to have to request to promote a product. Now, sometimes, I want to be completely honest, sometimes some of the vendors, they won't accept your request. I'm just going to be completely honest, because when I was first getting started on there, I wasn't getting accepted, and it was also taking a very long time for them to accept me. So I was kind of missing different launches because they weren't accepting me in a good amount of time. All right, so just when you get on, just be very active. Start generating yourself some sales. Because I've been teaching you guys. If you're subscribed to me, I've been teaching you guys different methods. So if you need to, just go back and look at the other videos that I have. All right. All right. So that was the first site that we're going to be talking about. Now, site number 2 is JVZoo. Now, the way that you're going to be able to sign up for this, you see it says free sign up here. You're going to click right there, and then it's going to bring you to this right here. And then all you would have to do is just fill out this information here, check the box, and hit register. And at that point, they would take you through the rest of the process, and then you would now be able to request to promote products. Okay, now same kind of process here. Sometimes the vendors will accept you, but what they'll do is they'll do a delayed commission. So you won't get instant commissions. You'll have to wait a little bit, right, before you can get paid. Now, if I remember right, that can be anywhere from, I don't know, like once a month. It was one time it took about 3 weeks for me to get paid on delayed commissions. So this is why it's very important for you to be very active, right? Start promoting these products, right? Make sure you following my method that I always talk about. You either gonna buy the product or you're gonna ask for a demo, and you can do those different things here on both of the sites that I've talked about so far. Just ask the vendor for a demo version. Like I said before, most of them they'll be willing to do it because you're getting their product out there. Okay, so that was site number 2, JVZoo. It's the same kind of concept. And the next two that I'm going to talk about, well, the next one that I'm going to talk about, is kind of in the same realm. Okay, all right. So Peerfly is the third site that we're going to be talking about. Right. So same kind of concept here. All you're really doing, you're going to either have to request, right, and then you can kind of go a little bit around the same route, because some of these are like web hosting and different offers like that. So the vendors for those are usually like, you know, like GoDaddy or Bluehost, or, you know, different vendors like that. So it's not going to be that easy to just ask for a demo. You know what I mean? So when you're on this, maybe this will work better for you than JVZoo or Warrior Plus. Okay. All right. So that's the third site. Now the fourth site is going to be Max Bounty. Okay. So this site right here is a little bit different. And the reason that I say that is because most of the offers on here are cost per action offers. So what does that mean? Cost per action is where, let me give you an example. Okay, let's say you go to a website and they have a form for you to fill out. Let's say you fill out that form. Guess what? Someone just made $4 or $5 for you just filling out that form. So if you're someone who really understands traffic, or maybe you don't understand traffic but you're trying to get it down, this will definitely be something, you know, for you if you just want to generate leads and, you know, you don't really feel like that you are the best seller. Okay, so if that's something, if you want to generate leads for money instead of just trying to generate sales through, you know, promoting products, then this will work perfectly for you. Now, as far as the sign up process, it is a simple sign up process. All you have to do is become an affiliate. Okay, and you see right here where it says join Max Bounty now. Once you click there, all you have to do is put in the basic information. Now, one thing I will say about Max Bounty, all right, now they do pay you for generating leads, right? But the sign up process, I'm not going to say it's difficult. I'm just going to say once you fill out that information, you're submitting your application, and then you're going to receive a call from them, right? So it's a little bit of a slower process, right? Because they want to make sure, and then also you're going to get an affiliate manager. So I think that's kind of why, you know, they call you and then kind of go through an interview to see if you're someone who qualifies. All right, so if you're going to be doing that, that's definitely something you want to keep in mind. All right, so the next site, guys, is Amazon.com, guys. Now, this is their affiliate program. Now, you get up to 10% commission, okay? So I want to be completely honest, right? This is not my most recommended way, because you're only going to get up to 10% commissions. And with that being said, let's say you're selling a, you know, I don't know, maybe a $500 product. Let's just calculate 10% of that, guys. And you're not getting 10% for every single one. So I just want you to keep that in the back of your mind as well. Now, it's still a great opportunity for people who want to, you know, if they're just getting started in affiliate marketing, they really want to learn the basics, right? You can get out there and promote physical products here on Amazon.com, right? If we scroll down, you'll see it's easy and free to join. All you have to do is click here, and it's going to say join now for free. Click on that, and then you'll fill out basic information. I actually did a video here on my channel, and I'll actually go ahead and link that up in the top right corner of this video, and just click on that towards the end of this video and you can check it out. All right, so that's number 5. All right, so this number 6 website is Fiverr.com, guys. Now, Fiverr.com is more along the lines for like freelancers. Okay, so let's say you have a skill set, and let me kind of give you an example of different skill sets. Okay, so if we go to graphics and design, people who do logos, business cards, books and album covers, web and mobile design, people who like to do invitations and they're very creative with them. Let's see what else. Spokesperson videos, animated characters, and modeling. People who like to do editing and post-production, right? It's just allowing you to you know, leverage your own skill set that you have. So if you have a skill set that you feel that you could be of value to other people, then this is definitely a site to get started on, right? So let me actually go into buying, and then I'm going to go into transactions. right. So so far on this site, I've spent $1,055. Right. So I just want you to think about that. I'm a marketer, right? So there's a ton of different things that I'm needing. So when I find people who I'm comfortable with, and then what I'll do is I'll just pay them, right? I'll pay them for for their service, right? Whether it's to further ranking my videos, or to get a new cover for my YouTube channel, whatever it is, I'm gonna pay. If I don't feel like doing it, then I'm just gonna pay somebody else to do it. All right, so that's Fiverr.com. Now we're gonna talk about Upwork.com. Kind of the same basis here, right? Having a skill set, but what I found with Upwork is it's a little bit more expensive, and also, in my opinion, I've seen higher quality with Upwork as well. Okay, so if you want, if you have a skill set, these two sites, Fiverr and Upwork, are where you want to get started. If you have something that you can be of service to people, those two sites will work. All right, now the next site. Okay, so this right here is Commission Junction. Okay, now this is similar to Peerfly. This site over here, this is similar to that, where they also do, like, as you can see here, web hosting, VPS, prime slot, so like betting and gaming. And then all you would have to do to get access to most of these is you would just hit join program right there. Okay, now you see this right here, it says get link. So if you hit get link, it will give you an affiliate link. Let me actually go ahead and click it and show you. Okay, all right, so as you can see, it's loading a little bit slow, but let me check it out. All right, so check it out, guys. We can pretty much see here what they're giving us. So what we can do is, you see this, boom. You remember what I said about the join program? I knew it was going to take you back there. So all you have to do, hit join program, and then go throughout the rest of the process that they allow you to do. Okay, all right, so that's the number 8. Okay, now we're going to go to website number 9. Okay, so this is Google AdSense, guys. So there's 2 ways to make money with this. All right, so the first way is if you have a website, for example, a blog. What you could do is you can put a little piece of code on your website, and anytime someone comes to your website and you have the Google AdSense code installed on your website, and it's pretty simple. It's not really complicated as you may think. Anytime someone comes to your website, if they decide to click on any of the ads that are shown, you're gonna make money, right? So it's the same concept with YouTube, but the only thing is it's called the YouTube Partnership Program here on actual YouTube, and the only difference is you don't have to put any code. You just have to assign your YouTube account to the your Google AdSense account, and that's how you'll be able to advertise here. Well, allow people to put ads on your videos. And when people, let's say someone's watching your videos, and those ads start popping up, if people start clicking on those links, you're going to make money. Okay, all right, now let me actually go to my YouTube channel and show you pretty much what I made within the last month. Now, this is not nothing crazy. Let me actually go ahead and log in. All right, boom, boom. All right, so I'm here on my YouTube channel. I'm actually going to go to my my creator studio. Give me just a second, it's a little bit slow. All right, so I'm going to go to my creator studio, and then I'm going to go into my analytics, and as you can see here, and you'll be able to see what I was able to make within the last 28 days or so. All right, so within the last 28 days, I made about 43 bucks. Right now, let's scale that back even further. Right, let's look at, let's see here, the last 90 days. Okay, no, let's just do the last quarter. All right, so over the last quarter, I made $102, right? Now, as you can see, I kind of just started this back up. I noticed if you are a subscriber, you've been noticing different ads here on my videos. So that's something that I'm leveraging as well as like a front end income, right? And then what I'm doing on the back end is I'm doing affiliate marketing, okay? So I just kind of wanted to show you guys into that so you can kind of see, you know, how that income is made, all right? So I'll go ahead and click off. Now, that's Google AdSense. Now we're going to go to the final website, which is the 4%.com, guys. Now, this is actually an opportunity that I promote at this particular point, you know, and the reason being is because this is a program that literally walks you step by step, click by click, on how to create a business from complete scratch. And I can say that and I can stand behind that because let me actually go over here to clickbank.com, guys, and show you my results inside this program, okay? So let me go to login. Let me go ahead and hit the login button. And as you can see, let's take a look here. Last month I made $672.33, and I made this, so far this month I've made $1,182.63. Now, guys, that is just me following what's being taught inside of this system, guys. Literally, it literally shows a person, even someone who's not even making any money, who's never made any money on the internet, are making money with this, guys. Now, I've been doing this since 2014, this online business stuff. But guys, I've seen multiple businesses. But one thing about this is that it literally step by step, click by click, guys. And that is 100% true. All right. Now, that is the 10th website. Now, if you want to get access to this product, right, because I 100% believe in this product. If you want to get access to this product and learn exactly what I'm learning, right, to be able to get results like this, as you can see here, right? $600 last month, $1,000 this month. So you can kind of see that, you know, my income is increasing over time. All right, so if you want access to the 4% challenge, I will leave a link down below in the description so you can get immediate access to it. What it's going to be, it's going to be $1 for 7 days. So after 7 days, it'll be $49 a month. Okay, and I just want to be completely transparent and upfront with you. All right. After you get access to it, just reach out to me on Facebook, and I'll be sure to get right back with you. All right, or at least when I can. All right. So with that being said, I hope I provided some value to you, and if I did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe, tick that bell icon, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace.